Oh, hey guys, what's up? How you doing? This is the fifth or fourth video in the series of building an award website in webflow. Yeah, I lost my words for a second there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we're going to make testimonial sliders using Striper.js. Yep, we're going to use code this time around, and I'm also going to show you how I made this incredible looking footer design in webflow. So with all that said, let's get into it. I've filmed a video making this, but still, I've not been able to correct this. I'll say I got lucky when this worked, but I want to fix it again. But this time around, I thought it's best if I just create a new page. Come on. Let's say testimonial or something. Testimonial. Sorry, I'm gonna do all the code inside here. So whilst I'm creating that as well, I'll come over to Striper.js. I'll get the CDN. So this is CDN. This is the CDN here. Copy the style, the head, Striper.js styling, and the next one is gonna be Striper.js, the JavaScript. Copy that one as well. Take it down here. Create. The goal will be to create this here. So first and first, Ctrl E, div testimonial section. Starting fresh. But again, Ctrl E, div padding global. Then we have padding section large. Section E, div. We have section content. Section E, you have the heading is an heading 2. What the heading says, here's what they're saying. Then this one we're gonna create in the text. I know I have the style in there, the same. Is it testimonial text? You have the style the same. So then this, do an image, speak. Tim has a name. Ctrl E, text, name. But again, person let me write down. This will be text size medium. Text with some bold. Yep. And this one 12. So this one is small here. Text size small. Small is 14, tiny is 12. Yep. And then we can wrap these two together. And then we can now wrap this one in the image as well. Wrap an image, div block. And call it testimonial name. And flexbox. And you can come here, replace the image with what? Tim Denning. Come over here. Testimonial image. Apparently I've studied before, that's why the studying is there. If not, I will study it again, but let's not dwell on that. Yeah, and then I can give it 16 pixels. Yeah, so we have that, and then we have the h2, this one wrapping again, wrapping a div. Testimonial. Item. If you give flexbox, give it down here, stretch left, give it space 24. Cool. Then we want it to have a border stuff there, so you can give it a border, come over here, increase it to like maybe 5 pixels. Good. And you can reduce the opacity to like 40. Yeah, but then we need to make it have a space between that and that. So if you give it padding, let's see what's happening. Padding actually works. But last time I did it, I used margin. Okay, I didn't use margin. My mistake. It was padding I used. Apparently I forgot. So it's 32. And that works, right? Cool. So now we're gonna have this as the item. Inside the item, you're gonna wrap it, and that'll be swiper slide. Inside the swiper slide, we're going to have swiper wrapper. Yep. Inside the swiper wrapper, we're gonna have swiper. But don't worry, that's it. Swiper slide. Be sure swiper wrapper, swiper slide. Make sure your spellings are correct. After that, come over here to swiper slide. You duplicate it multiple times, as much as you want, as you need, and that's pretty much that. And then if you look at the style here, where is it code? Isn't the swiper wrapper? Then it's in the swiper that you can see this, so we can add our buttons and the focus. So in the swiper, go to div, and you can make it outside the swiper, so it doesn't matter. Let's call it arrow wrap. And inside the arrow wrap, we're going to have arrows. Copy as SVG. Control E, div again. But just any div, you're gonna come over here, SVG imports. Click on this, paste it. Yay, it's in. Cancel. I'm gonna give it arrow right or something. Yep. I don't know, it has been started before, but I'll also use it again. It's good, but let's duplicate it and call it narrow right. Yep. Duplicate it. Now you have to, you can call it, then duplicate that one, and you can call it narrow left. And with narrow left, you come over to the styling over here. Transforms, rotate 180. It goes in that direction. And the arrow wrap, you give it a flex box. And give like 24 pixel spacing. And make it centered, no. Center, justify, align left. Whatever, man. At this point, I'm not even thinking again. I'm just doing. So, yeah, that's that. And yeah, you can bring this one out of the swiper. Honestly, I don't know why I'm putting swiper. Okay, so now this section contents, the flex box again, everything's looking messy, but no, it's not. Instead of stretch, I'm gonna make everything steady, right? Give it like 48 pixels, 3M, and you can see it now. But I need to know when each of them is different, so come over here and we'll change it like this will be Justin Wells. Change the image to Justin Wells image, replace. That's Justin Wells. This would be Sahil Bloom. Duplicate. And then that's pretty much it for now. We've covered the basic idea. And before we press publish, because now we're not using code editor, we're going to be doing everything from the native stuff. So publish. Let's see how it looks like first. You see, I don't think if you can see the styling is different. We've not highlighted anything here, but you can see the styling is different. Nice. Basically, good. Now, come over back to this. We still have to input the code. So for the body tag, we'll come over to swiper, and it will tell us that to get started you can like come swiper, blah blah. So what you can just do is most times I don't do all these things. What I like to do, I come to demos and look for the style I like. So swiper flip. Honestly, I really don't care at this point. I just want something that works. You can take autoplay. What's on his own? We can come to core. It shows the code on code sandbox. And swiper slide, you can see it's aligned text. So it shows how they designed it and all. Okay, now we're going to copy all of this. Let's copy this. I'll take it our own. Paste it here. Instead of var, we can use let or const. These are JavaScript variable setters. If you don't know that, maybe you should read about variables in JavaScript. I might leave it in the description of the video. I might not. I don't know. Just check Microsoft Developer Network. You'll find lessons on that. Swiper test. Okay, new swiper. And this is going to be so I'm going to save it first. Is a mistake I made somewhere. Why is it my swiper? Oh, swiper, my swiper. I see what you did. So I can change my own to that. I've not done that yet. I want to change this. My swiper, what's the combo class I'm going to give it? I'm going to give it original swipe. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to do that for the swiper wrapper as well. Let's put the original swipe, and for the swiper slides, original swipe. Just in case you want to style anything, I can always add it to the rest of this. using combo class, not styling the exact class here, but I was styling this one. Yeah. So now if we come back to this, instead of using, we can use swiper, then dot original swipe. Autofocus space between 30, set that slide to multiply 250, pagination, adapt pagination, so I'll remove that. And for the navigation, you'll see it's next elements, and we know we change our own, so we're going to come over again. What do we change our own to? If you come down here, you see it's narrow right for the next, and for the left is what? Narrow left. Cool. So we're going to come over here. Narrow right, and for this one it's narrow left. If I press here to cancel it, I'm doing here, so I'm just going to paste this again here and just make sure the spelling is correct left, because everything the spelling is very critical in coding. And I don't know, I saw disable something, disable interaction, false. So now I'm gonna come over here to publish. Okay, so come back to testimonial here. Let's see. Wait for 2.5 seconds. Nothing happened. Let's tap this. Nothing happened. It's not working. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working. And this is the issue with Super.js. Like, oh, fuck it. At this point, I don't know what I'm going to do again. This is like the third time recording Super.js. One time it works, sometimes it doesn't work. And I've watched tons of videos about it as well. You know what? I'm going to pause here. I'm going to come back. I'm going to do some designs and go outside and touch grass. I'll be back. Hello, how are you doing? The last video I made, I was showing you how this testimonial project was coming together. Again, this is more than 4 hours later. I've been back, I've been watching YouTube. My brain is relaxed, and I think I can figure this out now with you right now. Yeah. So first things first, this is swiper slide, swiper rubber. This doesn't to be a swiper. I don't know how the previous, because I've tried tweaking and so much more, it wasn't still working. But I have a feeling that we'll figure it now. By Allah's Rahman. So 3M, yep. First things first, let us stop saying shit. So come over here. One thing I realized is that why did I have so much original swipe, right? So now this one all the way down. So this, I guess. So this swiper test is equal to new swiper.original swipe. Let's save this first. So if you come over here to swiper, original swipe, max width can be like, let's just publish first. Let's do something publish. Let's see. Nothing changed. Okay, come back here. I'm like, why is nothing changing? I don't know. This code editor is the one that this one worked. So I'm gonna take basically all of this, try to model it again for mine, try to see what went wrong. Everything was right. What went wrong? So bring it all the way down here. So it uses const. Let's use our const too. Swiper test is equal to new swiper swiper original swipe. Speed. Let's do speed. Speed is what? 400. Space between is what? 32. Let's able to play alone. Loop through. Navigation, narrow right, narrow left. I just added an N before the arrow. That should not be the reason why it's not working. But if it doesn't work, we'll still change it. But for now, okay. At this point, I really don't know why it's working in one case and it's not working in that case. Let's publish. Still not working. I don't know why. And I'm wondering if I change this to alright, let's look through. Because I did the same thing here. I copied it. I did this exactly the same thing over here. You know, let's see something. There's something I didn't do yet. Server slide. Swipe. Move the max width. Make it 100%. It's not working. I have no fucking idea. Like I did it on that Figma webflow page, and it's worked. This is a swiper. Arrow wrap is here. But the thing is that I connected this one to the external board here, and it's worked. Like bro, it's worked. Space between speed. Like I don't fucking get why it's not working here. It's confusing the hell of me. Is it the naming? You know what? Let's get crazy. Let's copy this. Let's say, just assume is the naming. Is where we named everything. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take out this, paste it here. I'm going to use is testy for the swiper. An arrow right and arrow left. Save. So it's testing. Okay. I have a feeling that exactly the same. Let's see something. Let's see. Don't prove me wrong. Let's see. Fuck. Can it be the naming? Oh, fuck. Mm. I think this is the naming. It can't be the name, bro. It can't fucking be the name. Hey, God, I beg. Exactly the same code, just different class names, and I think that it doesn't work. This is not possible. Ah. What the fuck? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why did it work now? You know what? Let's test something. I'm so angry. Fuck. Let's go back to this one. This one is like a new webflow page just to test whether this thing works well. So we're back here. I'm gonna call this again narrow left. I'm gonna call this narrow right. Come to the code here. Save. Publish. Then is it the way I wrote the code? Could it be the way I wrote the code? Original swipe is not a good way to. So let's do something. Oh, could that be it? You know what? Let's do is testy, capital T. Save. Let me just copy it from here. Oh, I see it now. A class cannot have capital letter. It can't. So that's a mistake I made all this while. Shit, fuck shit. So if I change this from is testy and just try publishing it, it won't work. It won't work. And when you publish it, it really work. Oh fucking hell, bro. Oh my god. So that's what make this master in webflow. You're happy now. Thank you. What? Shit. I think let's just remove everything from here now. Thank you. I think I'm gonna put the autoplay again. You know the autoplay effect I wanted to do before. And we know why it's gonna work. come back to our project here. Let's realize that the work is not done. Why is it looking like this? Before we publish it, let's be sure this is still working. Okay. Very weird. Cool. Now we want this to be in the center here. So let's change it. And the play works. The play works. Okay. Wow. You don't mean it. Okay. We want to make the footer. So section footer. That's my design. Okay, my design is here. This is the footer. The out of focus. Design padding global. The section medium. Then the inside is footer content. Inside that you have the heading 2. I guess what's the name of the heading we use for this meet done? H2, big H2. Yeah, we're gonna use big H2 over here as well. Big H2. Yep. And what's the name of the out of focus? Yo. Okay, let's get serious. When I was younger, I wish I had a number. I would tell her not to worry, 'cause I day with you, and I day with you. When I was younger, I wish I had a number, and I would tell her not to worry. I don't know, why would I get 40? It's like heading on its own, and I don't think, did I save any heading here? Heading, city heading. Okay, so it's gonna be a custom text again. Doesn't matter though, it's gonna be CTA heading, and that's gonna be Thunder. This Thunder font is really flexible. I love that font so much. I'm starting to love it so much. I'm talking too much, I'm sorry. But yeah, Thunder is badass. If you look at it again, this is not the medium, this is just like the light version. LC for the pixels, LC for the pixels. Baby, when I call you on the street, you call me no. Baby, when I call you, ooh, ooh, ooh. So that's the button. We need to go to our style guide. We've not even done the nav bar yet, so go to our style guide. It's funny how I have a mouse here and I end up using my scroll bar. I've never, in fact, the first video we made about making this mouse, I haven't fixed that yet. We're making this. Let's delete this. Left CTA. Okay, we have right CTA as well. Free summary from the altar. Free summary from the altar. Free summary from the altar. Yup. Maybe right it here. Basically, you know what's funny is that we're gonna make all of this again, and these are gonna be link blocks. I was thinking, how do I want to make this? It can be a div, the link block, div, or the whole this thing can be a link on its own. Oh, God, I beg. Let's start with this. A link block. So link block. In the link block, we have a text that is regular. And then we can now make this arrow stuff on our own. Copy as SVG. She tell me not to worry. SVG, baby, I'm a mate. I wanna sing for you, so right. And that's it. It's came as SVG. It should be an icon. I don't know. Icon medium. That's too rem. That's too big. Icon small. That's one rem. That's too small. Icon large, medium, small. You know, it's gonna give icon 1.5. And we're gonna just get our own 1.5 rem. That's 24 pixels. And then we can now wrap in div again. And the div we wrap it in is gonna be the arrow icon or something like that, and this one is going to be the one in flex center, and it's just 8 pixels around, so it's going to be 0.5 padding around it rem, and this is going to be, that's the idea. And then this link block is going to be CTA links, not CTA link, because there's still going to be flexbox, and there's still going to be some flexbox. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So this arrow div now, we check if we give it like where is it? Arrow stroke. You know what? In fact, let us change the city of everything here to city heading to be white. Where's the white? Maybe underline. What again is here? There's two. Yeah. So now we're going to give this one an outline. We have two options. Either use this outline. Yep, and this outline kind of works too. And this one inside, we can also get an outline of white. Doesn't even bother. We can come over here and give it an outline here as well. Outline, make it one. Anyway, it's making sense. I don't know why on over it's going away. So I have to give the outline from here. Still works. Okay. What have I done so far? This text is going to be text size regular, because that's a 16 pixels. 1 rem. What else have I not done? Stretch, you want it to be center. You know, when you think about it, we want this to have a specific height. So this is here now. What's the height? 250. So I'm going to use at least minimum width of 250 pixels. No, maximum width of 250 pixels. Okay, I should finish video with 15 minutes because I have to cook. Else I'll die of hunger. Actually, I won't die. Well, my eyes good. So maximum width of 250 pixels, and then we can now give it a space between. And you can see this is looking horrible here, like it's coming to the middle. Play it and return it back, and you see what's going on now. For the fuck. And you see it's not returning to middle, so it's just an issue with webflow when it doesn't answer you on time. Now we have to know what is the distance between this 12, 14. So let's use 12 pixels. 12 pixels here, and you see that's the space in there. And see now it looks nice, right? Some of you might be confused, like, what did he just do? No, I was getting that. I don't know. Were you looking at what I was doing? Because if I'm doing that, I would have been confused at some point. But yeah, please, if you are confused, just watch it again. Slow it down if you have to. I'm showing you a process. I'm not showing you a tutorial per se, so that's the reason why it can be a bit. Oh my god. And yeah, if you want to add another text that's too short, what you can just do is just come over to this and just like, it's too long. I mean, you just keep increasing it till you feel like, okay, this works, you know, and that is amazing. And now you can call this one CTA links. This doesn't necessarily need it anymore. CTA links, or you can call it CTA link wrap. And we can call this right CTA. This right CTA now. Let's give it flex down towards the left. The gap is gonna be 24. I guess is that what we did here. Is that 24 or 16? It's funny, 16 here. So 16. And now we have the two CTAs. We can wrap them again. This one 216. And call this on footer CTAs. You can flex them, and you can make the flex space between, instead of stretch, you can make it top, and left CTA can be And we can use that effect I did last time. Not an effect, but like that stuff I did last time where I just like max with 255. So instead of, you can just come over here to width, you can use 255. That works too. I said this works. I was thinking of using CH. You know that stuff I did where you come over here and use CH and it's like just maintain a specific character light. Yep. 23 character heights or some characters. I don't know why I like doing that stuff. I don't know why. There's no reason, honestly. I'll be honest with you. There is no reason. 23 CH. Yeah, what else? And now I was just realizing that I want this footer to be minimum 100 VH. Yep. That's how we're gonna get that effect over here. And then I was also realizing that this one is centered there, but yes, this, so it doesn't make sense. How are we gonna do it that just like this one too? It is somehow centered there over here. So maybe that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this big H2 centered on desktop, and when we're on mobile or tablets, we are going to make it what's the word? We're gonna make it, I'm trying to wonder now. I didn't even use any. Oh, that's interesting. Wow, I didn't use any. What's the spacing? 40. It should be 48. So Flexbox looks terrible. Down here. This center. Yeah, 48 pixels or something. That's weird. I didn't use any. This one too. This photo content too. No Flexbox yet. It's just. I don't know. It's not as if you have to use Flexbox everywhere you go. Just something I kind of like. And then we have to stretch it because this is space between here. If you space between and you don't stretch it, everything should be better. So when you stretch the parent container, everything is less likely to look terrible. So that's 48 pixels. You can see now it's looking like the design. White. Everything's gonna stay up there. What we can also do is like for this section footer, we can give it the padding global. We can also give it the padding section medium, and then we can remove this padding section medium we add here. That way this footer content is just going to be 100%. I don't know why that didn't work. It's 100 VH. A minimum 100%, maybe that's it. I don't know why it's not working. If you come over here, you can be able to like mistake, because there's an effect you can do over here. Yeah, extreme mode. It's maybe black and white, and you to see. Yep. I don't know why it's not going all through, but if I do like this and I make a space between as well, does it make a difference? I don't know. I think for now, it's okay. Let's leave it at the top. Let's put the extreme mode, and let us add this thing at the bottom here. So this copyright stuff. Oh my god. So Control E, another div. When I wake up in the morning. I'm gonna call this the footer button, footer BTM. Control E. You add some text. The text is what? Text size small. Why? Because 14 divided by 16 is 0.875, and this is what? 14 pixels. Yep, good. Made a good guess. Proud of myself. Enter. Control C. Control V. If you notice now, this is capital letter here in the design. When big here is small letter because I use a capital letter styling over here. So that doesn't mean it doesn't transfer via text. So you come over here back to the design and you can give it all caps. All caps. Text all caps. Yeah. I'm going to do the same. Control D. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Design development by Popsy. This is going to have a link block. So it's a link to my own website later on. You know, at this point, let me just do that now. By Popsy. What's my website? It's Popsy. Yeah, https://abdussalam.com. Open new tab. Yep. Okay. And then we cannot fix the link since it's a link now. And all links are also link. Mistake. So test link. Surprisingly, I didn't know I was even there. Listen, I'm just gonna change it so you can have an over effect on hover. It can have a link and it can turn white. So now, so on over it will turn white, turn lighter, and we can give it like a transition. What do we change? We change the color. What do we change? It was the decoration. So text. So we change it to text color, font color. That's one. Ease is okay, yeah. And that one again we changed was decoration. Where's decoration? I think this is it. And I think this works as well. So why did it flip twice? I don't like that. I don't like that. See? And the color is it's okay, we leave it like this. And we can change it to pointer. So that's the cursor change. That's footer at the moment. Maybe footer BTM. I said the moment. I thought it was ATM. Oh man, Gen Z people. Space between top. There's a space at this top here, 24 pixels. So we're gonna have 24 padding, 24 padding. We're gonna have a border on that padding as well. So come over here, choose the borders, choose the top part. Just give you 1. The color starts to change, but you're gonna give it white or not. And you know you can't change the color to white, so you come over here, you can also remove that color and give you what yourself, so you can change your opacity of the white later on. Which over here, I don't know what the opacity is, but I guess it's 30 pixels, 30%. So come over here. That one is okay, no, doesn't matter. And then, yep, you see it. Yeah, and now you can see it's still not taking the whole screen, and this is not coming down. So what we're going to do to fix that? Previously, what I would have done is H2 and this one can be together, and this one can be together, and then we'll not give the space between. This is not a bad idea, because now if you give it space between, it's still not even coming down. That's even the issue. So I'll give this one a wrap in a div. Yeah, that's a mistake. Yeah, so we have this one. Yeah, we have this one. Yeah, and we can say select this section footer, and we can give it a flex box down space between. So that's the see seats. So like this. Honestly, it's not bad, honestly, but I feel, for example, now, yeah, why is this like this? Come on now, for God's sake. I calculated everything, it wasn't this bad before. So yeah, and what again, this is not bad actually, but I want to do some quick effects that I just learned recently, which is with Unicorn Studio. So I recently had a chance to play with Unicorn Studio. So this is what I made, this focus effect, and I'm going to see how it's going to look like if we just export it as an embed update, I guess. Copy into Framer, this is a Framer component here, or you copy into webflow, embed code. So there's a script, copy. So that's just it. I don't know, it feels so weird that that's just it, but yeah, the logo will show. If you don't logo to show, you ask it to pay. You see, it's actually to pay. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't. That's how my friend's account, he actually gave me access to it, so I'm grateful. And come over here and Control E, embed. You come over, you paste it here, save and close. And then if you're gonna be on public sites, we need to still make it like 100 embed app. Just why I'm doing this, because I want to style it differently. So come over here to this section footer. I just realized that this section footer, I'm going to inherit section footer. It's going to be what? Relative. For reasons known to us. It's going to be absolute. It's going to be display everywhere. It's going to be yep. So it's going to be at the back, and it's going to be none over there. So now let's publish, and let's have this like publish over an hour ago. Published over an hour ago. Let's go. So end things up, we'll start fixing these things, and but for now, okay. It didn't take the full height. Why didn't it take the full height? But you can see this effect is nice, and I would love to see it take the full height. And the logo is so big. So let's come over here, press the icon. Sorry, mistake, press it once. Div width height. So the style is already fixed, so you can always change it over here. So be like 100%, and the height again 100%. The only problem, however, is that this can force this to look terrible. Publish. It now looks skewed, like it's trying to like fit in the box, but it's not fitting the box. You know, it's not really good. But let's see. Control. But now, bro, this is sick. Like, bro, I love this so much. I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. But I feel like this is too much. So now I tone it down. So we're going over to the stuff. If I take this one down. Yep. Let's think like how much is too much? How much is too much, oh baby? Because if I ask you now, you gonna tell me say, oh baby, oh baby, baby, oh baby. Oh, I don't like how this is too, it's too subtle. I don't want subtle. I want progress always, baby. When I call you on the cell phone, when I see you on the waist, on the fancy combination, pending piece. Let's see if it affects it from there. I have to like refresh everything again. 1050. Okay, this is not bad. And now we can fix this. We can definitely fix this. If you look at the design here, you know that this is close, a bit closer to this. Yeah, a bit close to the Obi. Is it my eyes? If you look at this, 106. Let's see my. It has to be me now after thinking about this thing now. Shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh. If to me when the sun to baby when I find you on the cell phone. City, so we're gonna have to like give it maximum width and height. If you calculate this together, what's it gonna be? 114. I'm gonna give around 800 or something. 800. I'm hoping it looks okay. Let's make it 56 rem. Publish. So that coming. I didn't see that coming at all. But it's obvious. It's obvious. It's obvious. Because if you want to stretch it strong, I'm gonna like make it to the center. And the truth is that we want this, instead of this folder city to be the one with maximum height for this, we want it to be this one, but then to affect the 56 W 56 rem. Let's assume we move this. Let's see what happens. I don't like playing with CSS like this, but exactly. I knew it. It's gonna break it. That's why it's not recommended to be a terrible CSS. So now we like this, right? We want this to have its own space. We have two options. Either use space between, or we use a manual height, manual spacing, which I don't want to do. I don't want that. want it to be center. And this one is going to be 100% wheat, I guess. Nope. 100%. Yep. This is going to be the 56 gram. Yeah, let's see now. This is the painful part about having to be checking the left sides for how it looks like. Exactly. Oh, bro. I love myself, man. Smart boy. Shit. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was interesting to watch. If you've not seen the beginning of this series, definitely check it out here. In the next video, we're going to be completing the mobile responsiveness, the GSAP interactions, the preloader, and so much more. Just make it more fine-tuned, and and yeah, we'll be done with it, and we can finally give Danko his Christmas presents. Wow, exciting times. Let's go.